You're drinking again, huh?
Oh,
Let's go give you a PBT then. Well, you're drunk enough and you're violating a judge's bond condition. Name?
Bernard Butters.
You're drinking again, huh?
Oh,
Let's go give you a PBT then. We're going to give you a PBT right now. John, go administer a
I was
PBT.
drinking yesterday.
Mr. Bodges.
What?
I hope you don't have a bond condition on that other case that says no alcohol. Mr. Bodges, that's why you got lippy with me last week. You're drunk. Counsel, I'm going to pass that. Ronald Allen Bodges, 2600001. Well, you're drunk enough. I mean, you're legally drunk. You're 088. Does he have a bond, Heather? I want you to call Heather. I don't know what you're doing, Mr. Bodges.
I'm ready to be down good. I would have.
You don't go yelling like you did at me last week on here. You got me. No. You don't do that. I don't care if you've had 49 vodka tonics or whatever else. You don't do that. Now you show up drinking again.
Yesterday.
Mr. Bodges.
Yes, sir.
Alcohol basically dissipates at the rate of 0.125 per hour. That means if you stopped drinking at 11:30, you were somewhere in the neighborhood of about a 2.0. I can do the math easily if you're interested in an exact reading. So if you're telling me you haven't drank since yesterday, then you were highly intoxicated before you went to bed. And that's your prerogative. If you don't have a bond condition that says you can't drink. Heather, I would like you to check and see the felony that Mr. Bodges has, whether or not he has a no alcohol provision in it.
I do see one in here that was bound over on November 18th.
Was that mine or Judge Hess's?
This one was yours.
Is there a no alcohol provision in that?
Yes.
That's what I thought. John, I'm not going to swear you to an oath. You took a PBT reading this morning on Mr. Bodges, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
State your name.
It's John City.
0.088 he had, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I think probation needs to notify, or somebody needs to notify the courthouse, whatever judge is assigned, that Mr. Bodges showed up here. And this is the second day. He smelled of alcohol last time. I didn't have him tested last time, which I guess was last Tuesday or on the 27th. So I don't think you can handle this case while you're drunk, Mr. Bodges. You're to come here without drinking next week. That was what I told you to do when I set the bond on that case. Now you got a felony. Now, according to her, and I'm not going to get into this, you got a felony. What's the charge again?
That charge was 3 counts. The first count was assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder. Count 2, assault with dangerous weapon. Count 3, assault with dangerous weapon.
So you got a 10-year felony and 2 4-year felonies pending.
Yes, sir.
And you're violating a judge's bond conditions. Now, if I had jurisdiction, I'd lock you up right now. Once I sign that bind over certificate, I don't have jurisdiction, which is why we're going to notify the court. Counsel, I'm adjourning this 1 week. If you come here, I'm giving you a PBT again. You understand?
Yes, sir.
And next time, I'm not going to adjourn it. There's going to be consequences for you showing up here like that. I'm going to adjourn it 1 week to February. What do I have? The 9th, is it?
Yes, February 9th at 9:30, Your Honor.
At 9:30 in the morning. Ma'am, did you drive here? You're not going to let him drive, right? Because that would be a crime. Okay? That's all I can do, Mr. Capitan.
Thank you.
You need to straighten out your life. Good luck. Thank you.